Hi, this is Patrick Loda with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. We're looking at this fresh listing. It's a 2017 Sea Ray 270 SDX. This is a great all-around model. Here's a nice sun pad here on the back. This is like a great sandbar boat and for just kind of tooling around, cruising, and doing a good family adventure. Has seating for up to 12 to 14 guests. Nice walk-through transom here. You have a pull-out shower here on the transom. Get yourself off as you're getting out. Walk in, you also have a nice step here on and off the boat. Cup holders, nice lounger here on the starboard side with nice storage and igloo cooler. Nice shot back here of the aft area. Again, a lot of seating on this model boat here. All right. You have some seating up in here. So your PFD storage, a lot of space in here, a lot of room for everybody. Keep all your gear. Seating. This has a Raymarine GPS chart plotter sounder. Boat has just under 70 hours on it. This is the dune interior. Nice head on the boat. It's a vacuum flush holding system. Nice walk-up bow here. Armrest, plenty of room for your guests to kick your feet up and then enjoy yourself. Has an additional swim ladder that's up here in the front. So this way, if you are doing some of that pulling up to on the beach, nice storage up underneath here in the compartments. Sea Ray does a great job with that. Flooring is called a infinity woven vinyl, so it is removable, so you can hose the deck down and also wash the boat, and you can also wash the flooring and keep it simple so it's not as slippery. This has a powder coated tower on board the boat. Real nice setup. Also too for doing any kind of wakeboarding. Rockford Fosgate stereo. We also installed a Garmin VHF radio on this boat. The boat's very lightly used, and it's also been rack kept here in our Brant Beach facility in New Jersey. The owner's just selling due to non-use. So if you'd like to see this boat or any other boat here at MarineMax, please give us a call at 609-494-2102. Again, this is Patrick Loda, and we look forward to talking with you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.